Therefore, you have a duty coming into the profession at this time to begin to think of ways to restore the legal profession, restore the judiciary to become again the last hope of the common man.
I've been the first of first.
So I want to use this opportunity to congratulate Bindow Jibrilla for the achievements of his children. Education is keystone in human development, in whatever type of education, be it law, engineering, whatever. But the most important thing is education. That is the vehicle for development, the vehicle for unity, the vehicle for every aspect of human endeavor is education. So let me use this opportunity to appeal to parents to make sure that education is key in human endeavor. I particularly want to congratulate Khadijah for this achievement. It is not a mean achievement in the Bindow family. As the first lawyer, you have set a standard. And I hope your other siblings will also work hard to make sure that they surpass this standard you have set. I wish you success in your legal profession, like other speakers have said here. One day, you may end up being a senior advocate, but if you end up being a judge, please make sure that you dispense justice. So, thank you very much for attending this event, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.